consignment of Jordans and all brands of shoes and Supreme gear, stuff like that. Slide through. Here at Illery, we have over 500 pairs of shoes to select from. We have over 200 pieces of Supreme gear. We have over 100 pieces of Supreme accessories that you could choose from. Slide on through, pick what you want, or consign what you have. If you want to sell something that you have in your collection, you need to let it off, come on through. Along with customs, we do a lot of restorations here. We do sole swaps of shoes that are, the midsoles are coming off or whatever. We do back tabs on Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s, and a couple of Kobe's too. And we make all the back tabs in-house. I've learned how to mold, do silicone molds, and basically make any back tab that you want. I don't really consider myself an artist, but I do a lot of art. I find myself as a creative cat. I do draw, I love watercolors. And I started this shoe restoration and customization thing probably about 14 years ago. I used to work for the Boys and Girls Club, and they told us there, hey man, teach the kids what you love to do. So I started painting some shoes. It got into a big old class. We called it Kicks 101. Yeah, Kicks 101. And we had about 10 to 15 people in the class at all times. It was crazy how it brought everyone together. I mean, you had cheerleaders to, the book smart people to gangsters coming to paint their shoes. It was pretty good. So while working for the Boys and Girls Club, I used to tell the kids all the time, man, you can do whatever you want. You can be whatever you want to be. And one day, one of the kids kind of flipped it on me. And she says to me, hey, Mr. Ron, is this what you want to do? Is this what you want to be? And I thought about it and I was like, nah. Even though I thought I was doing God's work, well, I knew I was doing God's work. It wasn't what I really wanted to do. And when she told me that, it had me thinking like, man, I really gotta build my dream, or I'm gonna get stuck here building somebody else's. We're located in Long Beach, downtown, off of Broadway and Cherry. The address is 1826 East Broadway, Long Beach, California, 90802. Our website is IlleryLB.com, and you can email us at info@IlleryLB.com. We're also on Instagram. Our IG is Illery, and we're on Facebook at IlleryLB. For all the Long Beach natives that visit our shop, and for our out-of-towners, especially in Texas, that come by every 6 months, we thank you. We thank you for the support, and most of all, I thank you for keeping my dream alive. Without you guys, we don't have this.